Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can remove some of the plugins in the Notepad that you might not need or do not like it to be there anymore. So I'm going to launch my Notepad, and just going to maximize this Notepad here. And if I go plugins, you can see there's a few bunch of Notepads plugins that I have. Say for example, if you want to remove this compare tool, right? So how you do it is you go to plugins, go plugins admin, and then you will be clicking on the installed section here, install tab, I'm sorry. And then you will be checking the plugins that you want to remove. So I'm going to remove my compare plugin. Once you put a check here, this remove will be on. So if you remove all this checkbox here, the remove will disable. Put a checkbox next to it to compare and hit remove. Then say yes. So what this message is saying is that your Notepad will restart once it's done. So click yes. So once the Notepad relaunch or restarts, go to your plugins. You can see there's no more compare plugins anymore. And if you go admin plugins and you look at install, your compare tools are not there anymore. But if you go to available, your compare tools is back here again for you to click on and install. If this tutorial helps, please thumbs up and like. Other than that, have a good day. Bye now.